Hello world, Wendy from Cali here, back with an unboxing. Long anticipated because I know most of those that subscribe to Color Street's Color Play have already gotten their Rustic Heritage box, and it's been very hard, well not that hard because I've been sick, but sort of kind of very hard to avoid YouTube spoilers and Facebook spoilers. But here I am. If I am spoiling it for you because you haven't received your box yet, please stop this video right now and come back when you've gotten yours, because I totally want to know in the comments what you think of the box. For those that want to see what's in the box, whether you've got your box already and just want to know what I think, or, you know, you are curious, just keep watching. So, I know I posted a video yesterday already, and my energy there was not as my normal. I am finally almost feeling myself again. Granted, today was a 12-hour work day for me, playing catch-up for being out sick. And it was funny because, didn't anticipate it, but like right at the last moment when I was going to clock out at 6, working since 6 this morning, there was a phone call, and it was a real one. Not a spam call that we've been getting lately, but a real phone call. So, you know, I took the call, handled it, and although I should be eating my dinner right now, I saw that this finally came in, and I had to stop, pause, and unbox. So here we go, because now I've just talked way too much, and I know most of you are just here to see what's inside, or what is Wendy's reaction to it. And I, of course, don't know what's in here. As I mentioned, I've tried very hard to avoid spoilers. I've read, though, that there have been comments that I've read, haven't seen photos, but people saying that they love this box. And I did see a poll, I forget if it was in Shannon's group or Stacy's group. I'll link their Facebook groups below, but there was a poll asking which was our favorite sub box of the year, because as of this box here, that will be 1 full year of Color Play boxes. It started in December of 2022 was the very first box. So now here we are at November 2023. But this one's called Rustic Heritage, and let's see what's Rustic Heritage in Color Streets. I'm going to look at that pamphlet at the end. But what do they think of as Rustic Heritage? I was very hesitant with the box design. It just wasn't my vibe. Neutral colors, I like them darker more than lighter. But as you can see, my nails, I did my nails yesterday, and it's kind of neutral. I mean, it's got some negative space, but anywho, Feather Dream. We've got some feathers going on, rustic feathers. I guess that fits. I mean, Thanksgiving is this month, so feathers. Oh my god. Okay, I just got chills, and I don't know if that's left over from being sick or if it's because this is totally my jam. I love this because, okay, this not so into because it kind of almost like blends in with my skin tone. But look at that. The swirls of that. I thought maybe Feather Dream, it was going to be like an overlay with like feathers, which I was like not going to be really like into. So I'm kind of glad that it is what it is. So abstract, and I thought I'd throw on a ring light, see if that helps any as far as seeing the colors better, because it is dark already. It is almost 7 p.m. here in Southern California on the Pacific coast, and it is already super dark. I've got 3 different lights on in my home office, and so yeah, really dark, but look at that. Oh, I love it. I don't know how I'm going to combine it with the others. I don't even know what the others look like, but you know me, I've been, ever since I started getting these sub boxes and getting into the flow of it, my goal is to be able to somehow incorporate all of the sets in the sub box in one mixed mani, because why not? But yeah, this is Feather Dream. So let's put that there for now. This one, Fair Fawn. Ooh, tell me there's something deer related, because my niece, Emmeline, loves deer. Oh, okay. It's an ombre, coffee colored. I mean, it's so far fitting rustic heritage. Definitely fits the name of the sub box. So, not mad at it, although I'd want to see what kind of overlays, if there's an overlay or a glitter topper along with this, because right now I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna wear that. I definitely can't wait to see people's mixed manis with these sets, because they're actually pretty cool. Okay, Prairie Picnic. This looks exactly like the box. This looks exactly like the box. We'll have to read the pamphlet to see if it's an overlay or not. But it's actually really pretty. Not mad at it at all. Good mix. Alright. What's this one? Blue Dove. Blue Dove. Oh, okay. Another ombre. I'm not feeling these ombres. These solid ombres. Of course, you know what's funny is that sometimes these sets look like kind of meh in the package, and then on nails they look absolutely awesome. So I had used, prior to the current mixed mani I have on, I used Moonlight Swim, which was, I think, a hostess set. So if you hosted a beauty social, you were able to buy that set if you had a beauty social that qualified for buying it. So I think selling 3 different orders for 150 or more in total for the orders, you were able to buy that set. So I had Moonlight Swim, and I used Happy Harvest, and it looked amazeballs. Like, I didn't think I would like Moonlight Swim as much as I did, because in the package it was very blah, but on the fingers it was really pretty. Alright, I know I'm talking too much. Bohemian Beauty, last one. Yes! I love glitter overlays. I wish Color Street would come out with more glitter overlays for their core catalog that they have year round, because love, like, I get so, like, sad when I use up one of my glitter overlays, because I don't have the funds to, like, stock up, like, multiples of the glitter overlays. I've only done that with a few of the sets. Like, Peaked My Luminosity was one set. Shimmer Down was another set that I was like, oh, I gotta have at least more than one of those. And looks like this is the free bonus gift. More nail art appliques. Color Street's been coming out with a lot of these. And, you know, actually, I kind of like the old lace vibe going. There was a set, I Love Lacy, that came out before my time. I didn't know about Color Street until after 2021. January 2021 was when I first started knowing about Color Street. And so there was a set, an overlay, I Love Lacy, that came out that I never got a chance to use or get my hands on. So this actually is really nice, and I'm excited to try this on the sets. So let's take a look. What is the whole these, that's actually really awesome value, because look at that. Those are 5 flippin' full sets and a bonus item. Color Street, okay, just by value wise, you knocked it out of the park with this box. Now, gonna wait and see how I feel about those ombre looks once I kind of get them on my fingers and see other people use them. Because just as first impressions, I'm not really digging them. Like, yeah. I don't know, though. I don't know. I mean, I can't hold the light and put my fingers next to this, but I'm thinking that... I mean, they might actually look not bad. We'll see. We'll see what I do with all of these, so stay tuned because that is going to be week 4. So that means we're in week 2 of November. And if you don't know what I mean, I'm talking about Tara Stoddard. She also has a Facebook group and a YouTube, but in her Facebook group this month, she has themes for the month of November. So we're on week 2, which I have to make a correction. This week is called Everything Plaid and not All About Plaid. You'll know what I mean if you watch my previous video that I posted. But next week is something about berries, and I don't remember now. But the 4th week, the week after Thanksgiving, is going to be the week that I'll be using the Rustic Heritage sets. So if you want to see that, then come back in like 2 weeks time and I'll have a video up for that. But really quick, let's go over the Rustic Heritage pamphlet here. And I really do love this. That set. Oh, that might be my favorite. Like, if anyone asks me, like, what's your all-time favorite set in all of the sub boxes? That's gonna be a tough one because those reverse glitter dipped overlays in the March box, Hidden Treasures, what was it? Ocean's Abyss and Siren Secrets. Those were awesome. But this, oh, I love this. This is amazing. And then I really love this. I can't wait to use that. I might use very sparingly of this one, so I can save this one for another mixed mani that's more like around the holidays, like around New Year's, because like the glitter on this totally has like New Year's vibe for me. Also Thanksgiving vibes too, but New Year's also. So yeah. Anyways, talking too much again. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. In this month's box, wander through a serene countryside with Color Play's Rustic Heritage box. This box features 2 cozy syrup shades, which are that blue, that whatchamacallit, Blue Dove and Fair Fawn. I think those are the syrup shades they're talking about. A shimmery abstract feather design. That's my favorite. Yes. What was that one called again? Feather Dream. It is a dream. Feather Dream. And an autumnal glitter overlay. We're committing to that. That's that glitter overlay. So here we are. And a dainty clear overlay. Aha! It is an overlay! Yes! Here we go. Color Street coming with the color overlays that we keep asking for. I love how they describe it as a dainty clear overlay with an olive leaf pattern. So, in other words, don't put it over dark colors. You're not going to see it because it's dainty. To savor the beauty and simplicity of life. Follow any of the 3 suggested nail designs or create your own bespoke mani with rustic charm. You know that word bespoke? I haven't heard it until I started opening these Color Street Color Play boxes. And then, of course, in the Barbie movie, they used the word bespoke. And I was just like, dude, like, how is that word, like, all of a sudden, like, popular and, like coming back and all over the place? Bonus item! So use these intricate lace mani charms to turn your nails into a vintage dream manicure. Yes, I like, me likes. Okay, meet the strips. So we've got Feather Dream, There's 2 sheets of the 8-finger strips. Appreciate nature with this abstract feather design over a shimmery light brown. Blue Dove is a slate blue syrup shade evoking a clear countryside sky. So I thought that blue kind of reminded me of like a duller version of, I think, Slate of Mind. Is that the core catalog one? There's a core catalog color that I keep wanting to buy, and I know that it's a core color, so I'm like, oh, I can wait, and I gotta buy it. So I mentioned in my previous video, when I did this mani, that I'm currently participating in Stacy Adams and Shannon Paetzel's Winter Ruckus. So snowmen and sass. So if you're not a stylist and you're a Color Street enthusiast, or if you're new and you want to learn more about Color Street, highly recommend you find either Stacy's Facebook down below or Shannon's Facebook group down below and join the ruckus, because there's lots of cool prizes to be had, and make your purchase count. It could possibly win you a prize of free stuff, so why not? But yeah, Slate of Mine is going to be on my purchase list when I make my purchase, which I'm waiting for. Oh, is it coming out today? Was it today? It might be tomorrow, or it might be Thursday. I can't recall, but the Color Street Winter Collection is coming out this week, and I don't remember what day. So I'm going to make my purchase soon when that hits. But yeah. Anyways, okay, back to, this is an unboxing. Stop it. Okay, Fair Fawn. I can't make this into a two-parter. Fair Fawn is a chocolate syrup shade for a vintage look. That's very simple explanation there. It does kind of look like chocolate syrup now that you think about it. Bohemian Beauty. Bohemian Beauty is find joy in the little things by layering this, there's that word again, autumnal glittered clear overlay over your custom manicure. Yes. And Prairie Picnic. Pick wildflowers along the prairie with this delicate olive leaf pattern on a clear overlay, perfect to wear alone or layered over your mani design. Over a light colored mani design. They should really preface that, because although we're very excited, I'm very excited to see color overlays from Color Street, because it's 100% nail polish. They kind of blend into dark colors, so be forewarned with color overlays. They get lost in the sauce if you use dark colors. And then I still have to remember to share with Color Street by using the hashtag colorplay, which I keep forgetting to do. And then there's the QR code. I don't know if I'm showing it off and you guys can scan it from the showing off on the video. But here are the 3 examples. Where's your mani meter? These are examples of what Color Street says you could do with the sets. So Metal Mist is the easiest one with Fair Fawn and Bohemian Beauty. I think that looks really fugly, but that's just my opinion. Rustic Retreat is the next level, where you can use Feather Dream plus Bohemian Beauty, and then Feather Dream plus Prairie Picnic to make that design. As you can see, you could barely see the Prairie Picnic over the dark brown, so I don't even know why Color Street did that as an example, because that also is so, like, meh, in my opinion. I'm definitely not doing any of these designs of these, but Blue Dove plus Mani Charms, Fair Fawn plus Mani Charms, now that is looking cool, plus Blue Dove with Mani Charms. Now that makes it better because they're covering up the colors. Isn't that sad? That's sad. Okay, don't laugh. But of all the 3 examples that they gave, this one is the most enticing for me. But of course, I want to incorporate all of these sets when I do my mixed mani, so you can stay tuned and see what I do. But yeah, that's all the sets. Guys and gals, that is it. 5 sets with nail art appliques. Hell yes! Thank you, Color Street. But yeah, there we go. What do you guys think? Comment below, and I will see you all next time. Peace.